Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make one more Raita recipe which will be addition to our Raita collection. Raita is something we can make with so many different variations and we won't even have any repetition for an entire month. We can make Raitas with fruits, Raitas with vegetables, Raitas with greens. So today's Raita is with Moringa leaves or drumstick leaves. So this is a very healthy option and you should try it out. So shall we proceed to make Moringa leaves Raita? We have taken half cup of Moringa leaves, 1 cup of yogurt or as needed, salt to taste, 2 to 3 pinches of crushed black pepper, and here we have tempering ingredients, little bit of Asafoetida, 1 broken red chilli, some mustard seeds, cumin seeds and few curry leaves, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Transfer the yogurt into a larger bowl so that it's easy to whisk. Add black pepper and salt. Whisk it well. It's a very simple raita with nutritious moringa leaves. Check the salt, add if required. Now transfer it into a serving bowl. And finally, we'll add the tempering to it. Take a pan and heat the oil. When it's hot, add the tempering ingredients. Here I've used dry curry leaves, but if you have fresh ones, you can use fresh. Fresh ones taste much better. Toss it around on low flame. Now add the moringa leaves, washed moringa leaves. All you have to do is just toss them a bit and switch off the flame. They'll be cooked further in the heat of the pan. Cool them well before adding to the yogurt. Here we go. Our Moringa Raita is ready. Garnish with little bit of tempering on top. So make and enjoy this nutritious Moringa leaf Raita. It's simple and nice accompaniment with the meals. Friends, do check out the Moringa flower Raita also. I posted it some time back. I'm sharing the link in the description box and I button. Hope you enjoy the Raita. Stay tuned. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.